So let's check it out.
What?
It's a sweet, long.
Yes, we are back.
Excuse me. Oh.
I want to know what they're filming, babe.
Excuse me. The
Right, no animal bride.
Bless you.
Would you shave her biz? She's not even shaving with the 8. Okay, 8. Other person do. Let me hold it. Okay. Looks like fucking dick. This is. Me either.
Ooh, my stomach feels weird. Another gordita. It's like, ooh, yeah. I'm sorry, I can't. Oh, okay. Wow, Keith. Roll up Bell. It's not quesadilla Bell. It's Taco Bell. Taco Bell. You need to relax with the refreshing taste.
So I think me and Andrew are probably gonna be sitting there.
My dad knew a kid. Sorry, I'm disgusting. Oh, this is awful. Sorry, it won't go away. And that burp just brought up some really awful things. Ew, sorry, gross. The only thing that's my PlayStation. Ew. So I have to burp. Go away. I'm a woman.
Start your engines. Make sure you're at the Jax Films YouTube page. So fix your fix your body.
If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe.
Giant jock guy.